One of the best places to be on a winter morning in Kolkata is of course the Kolkata Maidan. The mood of the place is all set to take you on a journey of trance. So going by the title, you must be wondering what actually is a Victorian dosa and why are we talking about it. So let's get to the story. In December 2014 on a Christmas morning, me and my friend were having a dosa and I clicked this picture and I captioned it as the Victorian dosa. And since then this has been a thing in our group where everybody started calling it the Victorian dosa. And 6 years later on another Christmas morning in 2020, I had met the same vendor in the same place and I had a conversation with him and I remembered this Victorian dosa and I made a point that I will make this video. So this is my complete recommendation that if you ever get a chance to visit Maidan in the winter mornings, please come and have this dosa. It may not be a Victorian dosa what you have thought of, but it is something that you will cherish in the morning. In case you don't know what a dosa is a rice pancake originating from South India, made from a fermented batter predominantly consisting of lentils and rice. The main ingredients are rice and black gram, ground together in a fine smooth batter with a dash of salt and then fermented. Dosas are a common dish in South Indian cuisine but have become popular all over the Indian subcontinent in recent times. Here's an interesting fact. According to food historian K.T. Achaya, dosa was already in use in the ancient Tamil country around the 1st century AD, as per references in the Sangam literature. After the Indian independence, South Indian cuisine became gradually popular in the northern India. In Delhi, the Madras Hotel in Connaught Place became a landmark that was one of the first restaurants to serve South Indian cuisine. Traditionally, dosas are served hot along with chutney and in recent times sambar. And now you guys will see why I have named it the Victorian dosa, and now that you know, I would definitely recommend you to go and have it for once. And also let me know in the comments which is your favorite place to have a dosa from. I would definitely love to go there and have it. So that's it for this video. Till the next time, goodbye.